This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 29 of building Eleanor from Back to the Future. Not Back to the Future. Gone in 60 seconds. Eleanor. Of course, it's gone in 60 seconds. Why would I say anything else? I'm just being me. Right, so we are continuing with the suspension that we've been building up on. Look, we're doing all this stuff. We're going to be doing more with this. First of all, we've got to put this piece together through there, again, with a little knurled bar. I haven't put my tweezers or my pliers away yet. This goes through there, then through there, and then through itself again at the other end. Get it lined up properly, or not. Try that one more time, and then if it doesn't work, I'll turn off the camera and do it very, very easily, no doubt. That in there, that through there, then all the way through, continuing at the other side. A bit like that. Get through just a little bit more. There we have it. That will do. So that is that. That is then being fitted using one of these 05 screws. Come on. Here we go. Get that one for later. Move that to one side because I'm not using that yet. I shall get the other screw out, the 08 screw for the other bit that I'm going to be doing in just a moment. You can come out there. Right, then you can go over there. Right, let's get this done. So this is going onto the hole down the bottom there so it can pivot across the car. It will go either way round by the looks of that. That will go into that hole there and screw goes through there. I do like this. There's not lots of holes and things like there are on the other cars that I've been building. It's more streamlined, a little bit easier to comprehend. So this bit goes into there on that end. If I can get it lined up. One end of that goes into there, and the other end goes into there. I thought it was going to be a tight fit, but it's not. Screw that holds it in place, not friction. Well, I mean, it is friction because that's how screws work, but it's not. I just thought that was going to be tighter. Strange. So that will hold that in place. And it's going to want to rotate as you're tightening it up, but that's just the way it goes. So there you have that. And that will be a little bit sort of like shock absorbing, dampening type thing as the suspension works. So that's that, almost done. Now we've just got to put the brake disc together, which just goes on fairly easily. That just holds on there like that, and it's that sort of clips it together and holds it together. Got to go into one bit, goes across there, that goes on there, and that's easy. That goes across there, but that's got to clip into just any of those. It's showing it as going into the one next to the hole. We'll put it across there. See how that lines up. Well, it doesn't. Sort of does, but it also sort of doesn't, because that doesn't really hold anywhere on there. Seems to be how the instructions show it, but just what it is. And then that goes onto there. Again, we've got the two holes there. That's where that's going to line up to. I would assume. Actually, let me just slide that off of there for now. Check how this is going to fit onto there. Be on there, isn't it? Does sort of go on there, and that leaves that pointing that way. Is that the way it's pointing on there? It is. So it is like that, and once it's on there, it's going to be secure because it can't go anywhere else, basically. So that is that. Attached on there, but not very well. I'm not 100% certain that that's correct, but I'll figure it out. That's that. Next up, we're doing a bit more wheel work, but a bit of self-contained wheel work. We're just going to start putting the rims of the next wheel together. So I'll figure that bit out, see how that goes on there, and I shall see you for the wheel next time. And next time we'll have a look through the magazine as well as looking at the couple of free gifts that turned up with this. So I shall see you for that very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.